Good morning, students. Today, for indices, we will do for module 2. That is exercise 7. First question I have taken that to find the value of this particular question. From here, see the denominator all are given in negative. See, power is given in negative. So if the power is given negative, what we will do? We will make it positive. How? If it is negative in the denominator, if you will take it to the numerator. See, I have taken the numerator. What it came? See, a plus b. Here also b plus c, and here also c plus a. These part is all same. I am not change anything over here. Now see, a plus b. This is a formula of a cube plus b cube formula. See, I have written a plus b whole a cube plus b cube formula. Same thing also b plus c whole cube, and here also c plus a given. For this was a c cube plus a cube. Now the bases are same, power will be added up. Power added up. See what is given: 2a cube, 2b cube, 2c cube. I have taken 2 common. This is the value came. Okay, this is the first part answer. First question answer. Next, we are coming to 21 Roman 1. That is a to prove that both LHS and RHS are same or not. Then from here, what we will do from here, that a plus b to the power minus 1, and in bracket a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by ab. The LHS I have to write it down first. I didn't, but here they given negative power, they made it in down so that power became positive. Here also same thing I have done, here also same thing done. From here I have taken the LCM. See, the LCM can AB. Now from here the concept is same, it will be b plus a. Then I can 1 by a plus b. I can write down b plus a and a plus b are same only. I have written about a plus b, and this is divided by ab. This one is just cancelling out. Then what is the remaining? 1 by ab. That means LHS equals to RHS. Next 24. This kind of questions, this type of questions is very important also. This part we will be learning more about this type in the logarithm chapter. See, in this question it is given, if 2x to the power x equals 3 to the power y equals to 6 to the power minus z, prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. Then 2 to the power x equals 3 to the power y equals to, see, whatever given, it written equals to k. In this kind of question you have to take a constant. I have written over here k. Now from here I have written 2 to the power x equals to k. Then from here I have written 2 equals to k to the power 1 by x. This can be written. This can be done in the logarithm chapter. Will be more do in that particular chapter only. Next, what is given? 3 to the power y equals to k given. That means 3 equals to k to the power y, 1 by y. Then 6 to the power minus z. That is 6 equals to k to the power 1 by minus z. Now from here in this 2 I can put the value of this k value, and this place 3 value I can put this value. Same thing I have done over here only. See, in this part I have done, after comparing this one, see the bases are same, the power will be added up. I have made the power added up. Now bases are same, both left hand side right hand side. What we can do, comparing the power, I have taken the power also. Now I have transposed this one in the left hand side. That is coming 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. That is LHS equals to RHS. Next 27 Roman 1 is also very easy question. If a equals to 3 and b equals to minus 2, find the value of a to the power a plus b to the power b. So from here I have written what is given over here. Just you need to put the value, substitute the value. Just a value I put over here and put over here also, and b value is minus 2 to the power minus 2. This will be, this power is given negative, so I made it in positive, so I made it in down only. Then 27 plus, it will, what will be 1 by 4. Why? As because inside the bracket if it is given minus, the power is given even, that means out of the bracket, if I take out of the bracket, definitely will come in positive only. Then 1 by 4, again I have taken 1 and 4, LCM is coming 4, and multiplying this one, 108 plus 1, it is coming 109 by 4. The answer is coming in mixed fraction, that is 27 1 by 4, that is I made in the box. Okay, next question 34 Roman 3, that is given what? See, in bracket root over 3 by 5 to the power x plus 1 equals to 125 by 27. Find the value of x. It is told find the value of x. The same thing we know, the value of root is what? Half. If I multiply 1 by x by half into half, that is coming what? X plus 1 by 2. And same thing also, it is a 5 cube and this is the 3 cube. Now from here I've seen that both the bases, see the bases are not same, then I cannot find out the value of x over here. So in order to make the bases as same, I made the interchange over here. If I make the interchange also, then I have to make the power from positive to negative. Now I have written comparing the power. Now see what I've written. 2 into minus 3 will be what? Minus 6. K plus x plus 1 equals to minus 6. Then x equals to minus 6 minus 1, that is coming x equals to minus 7. Okay. Next, there is the third 39 question, that is the last question, is given that if 3 to the power x plus 1 equals 9 to the power x minus 2, find the value of 2 to the power 1 plus x. Now from here, what I've written, this one I've written over here only 9 I've written over 3 to the power 2. I can write down this one. Now what is your duty? Now what will be, now from here we can easily open the bracket. The bracket is a 2x minus 4. Now again see the bases are same. Now if the bases are same, we can compare the power to find the value of x. Now it's the same concept I have done over here also. Then 4, the like terms are made in one side and another side. See the 2x minus x, and is 1 plus 4 is 5. Then x equals to 5. Then 2 to the power 1 plus x equals to the power 1 plus, in place of x I did what? 5. Then to the power it will be 6. That to the power 6 is value is 64. Okay. I hope you have understood this part. This very easy chapter, this coding chapter. Keep on practicing. The examples are also there. I have given in the PDF also. It is your duty now to practice. Until unless you practice, you cannot score good marks. This is only the solution for mathematics, I can tell you. Okay. Do your work on time. The classwork also and the homework assignment what I will be giving today also. Do it in your copy properly. Okay. Have a nice day. Goodbye.